everyone, it's CiCi here. Today we're going to make chicken sticky rice in lotus leaves. So in the past I showed you how to make 荷叶糯米鸡 or 糯米鸡. Today I'm going to show you a smaller version of that, which is called 珍珠鸡. It is small, but it's super tasty. Let's get started. So first we're going to rinse and rehydrate the lotus leaves in water for overnight. And place a heavy plate on top so that the leaves wouldn't float to the top. And the next day, we're gonna rinse the glutinous rice for several times. And rehydrate in water for 2 hours. Then we're also gonna rinse the dry shiitake mushrooms. And rehydrate in water for 2 hours. Rinse the dry shrimp. And rehydrate in water for 2 hours. And in a small bowl, we're gonna make the sauce. So add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, 5-spice powder, white pepper, add 1 1/4 cup of water. Pour in half of the sauce and mix. Now we're going to transfer the drained rice into the rice cooker. And we're going to add the water mixture and mix a little. And we're going to use the setting for rice and cook. In the meantime, let's marinate the chicken. We're going to add in the soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, 5-spice powder, white pepper, and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay, so in a well-seasoned wok, over high heat, heat it up until smoking hot. And turn to low heat at about 1 tablespoon of extra light olive oil. And immediately add in the Chinese sausage, dry shrimp, and shiitake mushrooms. And stir until the aroma comes out for about 1 minute. Remove from the wok and set aside. In the same wok over high heat and heat it up until smoking hot. And now we're going to add another tablespoon of extra light olive oil. Add in the chicken and cook for about 3 minutes. Add in the garlic and cook until aromatic for about 30 seconds. And now we're going to return the sausage, dry shrimp, and mushroom mixture, and also the sauce. And we're just going to stir fry for another minute. When the rice is done, we're going to wait for about 5 minutes until it is slightly cool. So now I'm just going to pat dry the lotus leaves with paper towels. The side that has lighter color will face up. Place about 3 tablespoons of sticky rice in the center. Add about 1 tablespoon of filling. Add the salted egg yolks in the center. We're gonna add another 3 tablespoons of sticky rice on top. We're going to fold the bottom side of the lotus leaf up and also the left side in and the right side in and fold it up until it becomes a pocket. Now in a steamer, we're going to bring water to a boil. and transfer in the pockets. And we're gonna cover and steam over high heat for 1 hour. Now we're gonna carefully remove the steamer and serve. Wow. So good. I don't know about you, but I'm so happy right now. This is such a comfort food. The rice and the fillings are both infused with the aroma of lotus leaves. It's super delicious. If you liked today's episode, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you again next Friday. I like to also stay in touch on Facebook, Instagram, and also YouTube. I'll see you again next Friday. Bye now!